Children, let's listen to the story. Mike and Ada are at home. They are playing in the toy kitchen. Ada is cooking eggs. Mike is cooking fish. Mike likes fish. He gives some fish to Ada. Ada picks up the fish with her fingers. No, Ada, you must use a fork, says Mike. Mike gives Ada a fork. Dinner time! It is fish! Shouts Mrs. Chan. Don't forget your fork, says Mike to Ada. Ada laughs. F. 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 This fish is lovely. Look at the word fish. Say fish. Fish. Children, let's say the letter F and the word fish. F. Fish. F. Fish. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter F. Fork. Say fork. Fork.